Hello, Dr. James Bogash, expert in health and longevity, and just commenting on article, White House wants women to have more babies, but they're ignoring part of the problem, which is men. Forget the whole we need more babies and fertility stuff. This is very real, and typically women have gotten the blame for fertility problems, but, and certainly things like PCOS and prediabetes plays a huge role, but for men, there are issues as well with fertility, testosterone levels being too low, not because there's a problem with low testosterone, but it's what's driving the low testosterone. Prediabetes is a massive player in sperm quality and number and motility. So a lot of environmental chemicals are estrogen-based. So phthalates, BPA absolutely affect things like sperm quality and motility. So this is an entire equation. If you have a problem with fertility, both